Hi, this is Andrew with Shimmick Adhesives. Today we're going to demonstrate the Turftak install kits. Turftak install kits are perfect for do-it-yourself installations or smaller turf installations. Included in the kit are 3 10-ounce cartridges of Turftak adhesive, 3 applicator tips, and a 30-foot roll of 6-inch seam tape. The kit is good for about 30 feet of seaming. The tools that you need are a utility knife or scissors, a caulk gun for standard 10-inch cartridges, and PPE, or rubber gloves. A few things to note before we get started. Well, Turftak adhesive is an industrial adhesive, and while it's non-toxic and contains no VOCs, it is very difficult to clean up once it is cured. Please take care not to get on objects that you don't want glued, and if you do so, clean up as soon as possible, just using a paper towel. Let's get started. Make sure that the seams that you're going to do are free from dirt and debris. Insert a length of seam tape underneath your seam. Then dry fit the 2 pieces of turf together so it looks like the seam is natural and you can't see it. Then fold back the 2 seams. Grab a cartridge of adhesive and remove the backing. It's like a tennis ball can. And insert into your cartridge. Next, take a pair of scissors or a screwdriver, or even use the tool on the cartridge gun to poke a hole in the end of the tube. Insert the tip onto the cartridge. And cut at the 2nd or 3rd perforation, depending on the hole size you desire. The larger the hole, the easier it is to squeeze. Next, feed the adhesive out using an S pattern. And join your pieces of seam together. Adjust so the seam looks natural as possible. You'll need to apply some pressure to get the glue up into the turf. Or you could always weight it with a cinder block or cement bag or whatever you have. After a 12 to 24 hour cure period, your turf is ready to go. A good test is to pull back the turf from the seam tape, and you should see fibers coming through. Check out the other products from Shimmick Adhesives, including bulk options in 1 and 2 parts, quick repair kits for repairs to seams and inlays in under an hour, various lengths and widths of seam tape, and low viscosity options for pouring out your seams. This has been Andrew with Shimmick Adhesives, and I look forward to seeing you next time.